I'm Rebecca Velasquez, holistic psychotherapist and yoga and meditation teacher. Thank you for joining me today for part 3 of my discussion around money. So I wanted to be able to give you a take-home tool, a budgeting tool that you can use. This is Dave Ramsey's monthly cash flow plan, which I really like. His way of doing it is he gives every dollar a job. I also like that he really connects the spiritual life to the money life in different ways. So he tends to take a biblical perspective. That might not be something that jives for you, but I appreciate the fact that he talks about giving to charity, and that I think we can all appreciate a lot. And as I said, giving every dollar a job. And also what I like about his plan is that it's great if you have an irregular income. He shows you what to do with that. So anyway, I'm going to show you. I did it in red so you can see it, but you're going to use a pencil with a good eraser, and you're going to have a calculator handy. So you want to be able to plug in your monthly take-home pay. I just put in random numbers to show you. But you want to be able to choose, if you have an irregular income, your lowest monthly take-home pay. So that if you have extra, we will show you on another piece of paper what to do with it. So you're going to go down. If you believe in tithing 10% of your income, then you're going to put whatever number there. If you don't, you don't have to use that category. Dave Ramsey and Susie Orman, actually both of them, they talk about having an emergency fund of $1,000. So I don't know what Susie Orman says about budgeting, but, again, this is Dave Ramsey's form. So you're going to just put down numbers here. You're going to add up the totals. This is really what you spend, and you're just going to create these numbers. You're going to do on both pages how much you spend for life insurance, how much do you spend for, cosmetics, childcare, all of those things. And you're going to add in your debts as well. So basically at the bottom here, all of these numbers need to add up exactly to $7,000. So if that is whatever your total monthly income is. So every dollar has a job, and you want to adjust your budget accordingly so that it will equal that. Maybe it's putting more towards savings or whatnot. Now, as I said, if you have an irregular income and you have more money left over, and actually, I'm sorry, let me go on to another sheet of paper before we go on to that. This is the allocated spending plan. So you're going to take, and I'm sorry I'm talking quickly because I just want to be able to get all this information out. You're going to take that monthly take-home pay, $7,000, and you're just going to divide it by 4. So it's $1,750. You're going to write down when your debts get taken out, when your bills get taken out. And so he also talks about using money and envelope system, which I absolutely love. It is a primitive system, but money really is 80% behavior and 20% head knowledge. So it is primitive, but I will tell you it works, and it helps to really get a lot of clarity to our money. And a lot of people say we do overspend when we use a card versus cash. So these are actually envelopes you can use. Dave Ramsey, you can purchase them online, and different categories: food, charity. This is an old one that's been in my purse for a while. But so you can use that, and each week, at the end of the week, you can figure out, okay, how much do I need to take out to put into my envelopes? So anyway, what I was also saying is, if you have an irregular income, what do you do when you have extra money? So that budget is really your lowest, based upon your lowest, monthly income that you would bring in. So on a horrible month, you know that your needs are met. So if you do have extra, this over here is a chart that you can use. Again, I just filled in random numbers and random topics. If you have an IRS debt, for example, that's $2,000, and say, for example, you have, $1,500 extra dollars. So you're going to use $700 toward the IRS. You'll use, you'll put $50 toward a vacation, and whatever extra you have, towards your new sofa. So those are your 3 pieces of paper, your monthly cash flow plan, your allocated spending plan, and your irregular income plan. That's all a mouthful. But Anyway, thank you so much. And these budgeting tools can be really helpful for you to be able to gain clarity and feel really empowered when it comes to your money. So anyway, thank you for staying tuned for this money series, and my website, RebeccaRVelasquez.com, YouTube and Facebook are Rebecca R. Velasquez. Thank you, and stay tuned. I will do more wellness videos. Thanks.